Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, February 21st, 2025. We are looking at the Litecoin on Zondacrypto, and the Litecoin is our altcoin of the week. As you can see, daily time frame chart, Litecoin to USDC, Japanese candlesticks. Let me just find out what is going on here for you guys. So first, volume. Enormous volume here, the biggest one since many days. As you can see, we can go back at least 1 year, 1 year back, and still this will be the biggest volume whatsoever. And now the situation here with this market is very interesting, because we got very big volume, enormous volume on a downside candle with down candles. So this might mean the market might be under the bearish pressure. However, as you can see today, the candle is still very green yet. But this is daily time frame chart, so maybe it will change the color. Now, what we know for sure is that the data are showing us the technical resistance. Technical resistance located at 140.73. We will mark it red. The other technical level here is, of course, 139. The other technical level here might be located somewhere around this level. The other technical level here, and pretty much we got very nice supply zone. Okay, so if we get our rectangle, and if we place our rectangle here, let me just customize our rectangle to red, so we stay on the same level. There you go. So our rectangle, our supply zone is looking very solid. That's why, possibly that's why, when we were testing this level here, 139, the next day we got very strong response from the bears. They were trying to move the market lower, but today still the candle is green, which means bears are defending this zone. Bears are defending especially 139, 140 level, and then of course the level of 145, exactly 145. So this is like a $5-6 supply zone. Apparently we got already some increased volume here when we test this supply zone. So in case of a breakout, that will be considered as a complete failure of the bears. Complete failure of the bears. We should see very nice movement to the upside, first towards 179 level, which is the of course the swing high from the December 8, 2024, and then maybe even higher. But first we need to break above this supply zone on a higher volume. Big nice green candle is needed. Now, if however there is no breakout higher above the supply zone, there will be another rejection of this zone, and then we are back most likely towards $110, $100 zone. The technical support here is of course present. Technical support is $87. There is technical support at $91. So we got a pretty decent demand zone here. Everything that is between those two levels is just bulls and bears trying to get the valuable trigger to the upside or to the downside done. Okay, so as long as there is no trigger done, the outlook remains basically sideways, right? So we will go from the extremely oversold to the extremely overbought market conditions, and the bulls and bears will be still fighting each other to see which one of this, which one of them is stronger, which one of them is weaker. Maybe some trigger based on the geopolitical events, maybe some technology trigger, maybe some economic trigger would likely be able to increase the value of the Litecoin or decrease the value of the Litecoin. It all depends what kind of the trigger that would be. We're still waiting for such a triggers. For now, they are not present from the fundamental point of view. They are not present yet in any data feed, news feed, and so on. So to sum up, very important zone right now is being tested. The technical support is being still active, 86.91. Big long down shadows here. Every time we touch this zone, if there is a failure here and no breakout, we would likely go lower. $1,010, $100 is the next target eventually for bears. For bulls, 179, 180, but we need to finally break above the supply zone first. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.